Tumble down the rabbit hole into Pandora's Manor, a sprawling colonial revival. Recently restored and reinvented as an upscale bed and breakfast. Meet the roster of A-list designers who've each been given a bedroom as a fresh palette, and see how they've worked their magic to bring this home back to life and honor its classic American appeal. When we purchased the house, I was very intrigued about who lived here originally, who built the house. Henry Fraser was one of the founding fathers of the furniture manufacturing businesses, and he built this house here in 1905 for his wife, and his wife's name was Pandora. My name is Louise Traficante, and I am the creative director for Eastern Accents in Chicago. Ridvan Tatargal is the owner of Eastern Accents, and he is really a very, very interesting personality. He's a very dynamic leader, and he has this amazing vision. At Eastern Accents, we design and manufacture home decorative accessories, bedding, pieces of furniture, draperies, anything really related to fabrics. We did want to give the guest a truly unique experience and make them feel that when they walked in the door of the property, that they just sort of walked back in time. Now, we didn't want the same experience to follow through with the designer rooms. We did have different designers from all over the country come in and design the bedrooms. We wanted that to be an amazing experience where you just open the door and you're in another universe. Initially, when we saw the property, it was being run as a bed and breakfast by the older owner, and it was a very modest property, and Ridvan really wanted to make this property spectacular. He wanted it to be this beautiful little gem in High Point, and it is a beautiful home. The scale of it, the ceilings, the wood paneling and beautiful rooms, the gracious southern feel, and of course the beautiful front porch. I do believe this house has a really great soul. It wasn't really a blank canvas because part of the historical element, whether it was the wood paneling, the different architectural details, they were already there. So it was a little bit of almost like an archaeological dig. In a historical home, there are so many different challenges and issues that you come across, and sometimes we did have to change the design of certain things. We had to alter the placement, but I did feel like that was just the house telling us the way things needed to be, so I was okay with that. So I deliberately wanted to have a transportation theme because the house is located right by the railroad. It's right there. You hear it. It's a part of the identity of this house. And I did find this beautiful map from 1969 of North Carolina, and that became the anchor piece for the dining room. And I love it because everybody that comes in here looks at that map to see where the town is that they're from. And it's just, maps are really cool. Everybody loves maps. Another one of my favorite pieces that I found for the house, or that I feel like the house found for me, was, which is sort of crazy, but I live in Illinois, and I was at a garage sale in my neighborhood, and I found this beautiful little plate. And when I saw it, I thought, oh, this is perfect for the music room. In the music room, my whole theme was having birds and flowers, and it was just pretty, a feminine room. So this plate fit the bill. It was beautiful. It looked like a lace imprint on it. When I looked at the back of it, it actually had Lake Lure, North Carolina. And that to me was one of those signs that this is the house putting this in my way. It was really fate working. I was meant to find that plate, and in a crazy way, I was meant to bring it back home to where it belongs. My favorite room in the common areas has got to be the kitchen. I love the kitchen. So the kitchen here is the kitchen of my dreams. I love the coffered ceilings. I loved the cabinets. I love the recessed lighting. I love the pottery being displayed. I love that space. I love being in it. I've been lucky enough to be able to enjoy quite a few meals in there and having different chefs come in and cook, and that whole experience has been a really great community and interactive experience, just fun. I feel very fortunate and privileged to have worked on this amazing project, and everybody from the contractor to the architect to the runner, installers on the stairs, everybody has cared about this house and treated Pandora just like they needed to. And it's just been an amazing community effort to make Pandora what she is today.